at CNMU mess where a snail was found in the food in the dinner today. The food inspector is inside and is inspecting the quality of the food. While we were coming in, our student told us to have a look at the mess. We'll go inside and check how it is.
फूड क्वालिटी देख लीजिए आप।
पनीर पे लीजिए तो कलर भी तो
देख रहे हैं खराबी है। हाँ और डालो तो
ये क्या है भाई?
ये तो देखते ही नहीं थे।
अरे नहीं, वो कुछ केमिकल डाल के उससे पता चल रहा है।
वो केमिकल डाल रहे हैं। It is nothing. It is a betadine to check chart is mixed in there or not. It is showing that very large amount of stuff is mixed in panic. वो SDM का तो मिला होगा सबका। वो बता दीजिए क्वालिटी कैसा है। पनीर खराब है जी। पनीर में ये जो होता है बटर जो होता है या क्रीम जो होता है निकाला हुआ है और निकालने के बाद वो सॉफ्ट नहीं रहने के कारण उसको सॉफ्ट रहने के लिए स्टार्च डाला गया है। या तो वो अरारोट होगा या फिर मैदा होगा, क्रीम निकला होगा।
ये पनीर है और चीज़ों के बारे में
छेना उसमें छेना में भी डाला था।
तो वो क्या ही रसगुल्ला आप उसमें टच करके समझ में आता होगा।
हाँ
सर बच्चों ने हमें खेला और ठंडा पे दिखता है।
ये भी खराब है।
तो वो 3-4 दिन पहले हमारे इसमें था, मेन्यू में था, आज तक पड़ा हुआ हो सकता है कल के मेन्यू में फिर से वो मिल जाता है।
एक्चुअली इस वक्त 3 डेज अगो और अभी तक ऐसा ही है। एंड दे आर प्लानिंग standard है। It is सब another standard. It is turning black slowly. That's why it is also adulterated. चीज का तो
सर ये तो सफिशिएंट है भाई, खीर से क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है। हाँ कुछ कराने के लिए कर सकते हैं।
Instantly, I have no difficult to check all things.
Of course, we do understand your work here.
I get some samples that you have doubtful.
Sir, you can see the eggs and the bananas. And they've been kept with the normal eggs.
Original egg, not synthetic egg. When yellow and white mix automatically, it shows duplicate or synthetic egg, but it's not.
It's not the concern here, sir. The concern is you see the shell of the egg, right? There's ink on it, right? It doesn't look good. So our concern here is
that can be washed when it is boiled.
And what about the banana, sir?
Banana is very bad.
Of course, and sir, if it is kept with some normal bananas, it will surely fresh.
Yeah. रख रखाव नहीं है, रख रखाव नहीं है, किचन का फंक्शन का नहीं है।
Sir, बहुत sir, one more thing, it's not just about the keeping, sir. It's about the plates, the spoons, everything are dirty, sir. Every day we are served, we have to do the same thing. Sir, how can we go beyond hours, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a hierarchy for complaining as well, right?
We've eaten this, and then also after this we got bread.
For the students, sir, I will humbly urge the fungus that we got in the bed. This bed is served every day in the breakfast.
Of course, sir.
And this is normal course.
I will note that.
You can see the
I will.
You have to submit the report, like the detailed report. What you direct launch case. Of course, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Complaint for a week, and this is a kind of improved food, sir.
Yes,
Still
yes.
the quality is too subpar, sir.
First you call the hot road.
Before you leave, sir, a bite for our youth organization. We have to capture. Alright, we're going to try to talk to the food inspector and get his first impressions about the food and see the kitchen. Sir, what are your first impression about what you saw in the mess today?
Very poor food is supplying to the students. Rasgulla and paneer are not in standard, but very sub-standard. And the bananas is very bad in position. And
We cannot overlook the snails.
those are doubtful. I will take sample, and it will be reported day after tomorrow.
Alright, what will be the next step, sir?
Next step will be I will launch the case in the court of ADM, and it will take very fast.
So the students have been claiming that they have complained about this before also, but
One FIR also will be launched in Kalpur.
alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so can I have your name?
And my name is Ajay Kumar, FSO Patna,
Alright.
Food Safety Officer Patna.
Thank you for talking to us, sir. That was the food officer that we were talking to. Can we have a look at the kitchen? So now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get into the CNLU kitchen and we'll see what is there.
Kitchen, yeah.
It's 1:17 a.m. We are trying to enter the CNLU kitchen,
They have logged from inside.
which is locked from inside now.
So open करो ना.
भैया
लाइट जलाओ भैया.
लाइट जलाओ.
भैया किचन की हालत देखिए.
इसको खोलिए.
We're in the kitchen of one of India's premier law colleges. And where should we start from?
This is where they wash our dishes.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very dirty. This is the hygienic condition here. Like where 300 plus people meeting. This is a common basin. Cleaning your utensils.
So you are saying house life के लिए कुछ है नहीं.
House life.
ये आप लोगों को पता है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कौन है यहाँ का और किसको मिला? अजय सिंह.
The thing is that regardless who the contractor is, they come to the college and college is responsible. We don't pay the money directly to the contractor. We pay money to the college and college is responsible for this.
So we are paying more charges.
And like we have been said to pay 10% extra because of the COVID surge. But the thing is that we directly don't pay the contractor. We pay money to the college and college is entirely responsible for the mess.
Alright. That's the quality of the kitchen at India's one of premier law colleges. We're gonna go out, bring you more from CNLU Patna. Alright, from the kitchens of CNLU Patna, that was happening for Jano Junction. We will come with more updates. The update number 1 right now is the food officer has inspected the college mess and has figured out that the food is not up to the mark. We'll have more as we go further with the story.
Let me check what the hygiene of
एक्चुअली जो या चीजें में लोग अपना यूज करते हैं उसको डाइट ये तो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी ऑन स्पॉट 2-3 चीजें हमको
सर ये देखिए रेफ्रिजरेटर
सर आपने वहाँ केक डाल देगा वो दूध में
यहाँ पे कितने स्टूडेंट खाते हैं?
350 कुछ नहीं है सर, कुछ नहीं है सर,
टेस्ट करने का मशीन आता है,
यही बोले
क्यों नहीं है?
सर इवन बॉयज हॉस्टल गेट अलग आप समझा लो नो वन यूज बता रहे हैं एक बाल्टी में पानी है तो डुबाए निकाले चलो उसी पानी में डुबाए हर चीज पे हम दिखा देते हैं